Black Science TV 111, Osei Kufuor. I'm back at y'all again with part 3 of Are We Masons? Well, I established in part 2 that we were, and I broke it down to its lowest common denominator within the sciences to prove that we were. Now, a lot of people like to argue about the degrees. People say, well, 33 degrees, there are other higher degrees, 720 degrees is higher than 33 degrees, or we at 360 degrees of the universe. Okay, well, it's all the same thing. Let's break the formula down, the mathematical formula. Now, 33 degrees is what? 3 times 3 is 9. 360 degrees. 3 plus 6 plus 0 is 9. 720 degrees. 7 plus 2 plus 0 is 9. It all adds up to our DNA, which is what? 9 ether. That's what we are. We are 9 etherical beings. And the Grand Master gives us our degrees every time there is a paradigm shift. So today, there is a paradigm shift by way of the universe distributing energy into the melanin, or a certain type of melanin that we consist of within our DNA structure. So we are connected to the Grand Master, which is the creator, which is who? Uh-oh, y'all gonna be mad. It's the black woman, the black womb. Why do I say that? Because it is the universe that produces the mathematical sequences within the melanated bodies so that we can evolve. So yes, she produces. The universe produces. Why? Because anything that reproduces is a female. A female is not a sex. It don't have nothing to do with sex. It's an act. So a female is one who produces. The universe does what? It's full of dark matter. It produces dark energy. The sun produces fragments of itself, which is stars. And then every 9,000 years, the sun goes out and becomes what? A planet. And it reaches its highest pinnacle. And this is when the paradigm shift occurs. One of the suns, of the binary suns, has gone out. And we have a new sun coming into fruition, which they call Christ in Revelations, coming with a sword dripping in blood. But it's not a literal Christ. It's talking about a certain energy that is now resurrecting from its cross, which is in every single one of the biological structures of so-called black people, which is the third eye. Christ is now rising on the third day. Let's get that established. All right, so we are Grandmaster Masons, but we are Grandmaster Masons only when we are outside of our body, which is what? We are sitting in the seat of the soul. Christians say we are sitting on the right-hand side of Christ, of God, in heaven. This is heaven. Your third eye is heaven. This is the seat of the soul. You are sitting on both sides of God. You understand what I'm saying? So the universe is the Grandmaster Mason, which is female. It produces, it reproduces. And it's what? In between the square and the compass, which is the constellations of Orion. Again, this is why the G is in the middle of the compass and the square, because it's the G spot. That's why when the woman get riled up when you hit the G spot, you are evolving her body into a higher form of being able to reach certain pinnacles within herself so she can produce something that will keep you aroused. Because once you keep her aroused, she will keep you aroused. It's a balance, okay? So everything connects with each other, all right? So with that much said, again, the degrees are all the same. 33 degrees equals up to 9 ether. 3 times 3 is 9. 720 degrees, 7 plus 2 plus 0 is 9, equal up to 9 ether. 360 degrees, 3 plus 6 plus 0 is 9. All right? So, with that much said, this is the last part. I broke it down to its lowest common denominator. There you have your formula. All right? So, with that much said, Black Science TV 111, Osei Kufuor. I'm out. Peace.